Great morning everyone. I hope you are doing well. I am Anjali, staff member of DRM family. Today we will do an experiment on the types of solution. That is, the solution is acidic, basic and neutral. We have four type of solution. First is salt solution, second is detergent solution, third is lime juice and the fourth is tap water. And the main thing for this experiment is indicator, that is the universal indicator, our pH paper. Let's start this experiment. Firstly, we will dip the litmus paper in salt solution and find that the little change in color of litmus paper that indicates that salt solution is neutral in nature. So next step is now dip the litmus paper in detergent solution and we will observe that color of litmus paper will be changed. Yellow से क्या हो गया? Blue हो गया, and the blue color indicates the basic nature. So in the pH level you can see 14 पे आ रहा है, that means basic in nature होगा. So detergent solution is basic in nature. So our next solution is lemon juice, and we will dip the litmus paper in lemon juice, and what we observe? We observe that the litmus paper change into red color, and the acids are those substances that change litmus paper into red color. So this solution is acidic in nature because it turns red in color. Okay. So our next solution is our tap water. When we dip litmus paper in tap water, we see little change, and you see in the pH scale, this is at the level of 8, and the pH at 8, that means weak base. अगर 8 लेवल पे है, इसका मतलब है कि जो solution है वो क्या है? Weak base है. Okay class, so that is the four solution which is acidic, basic and neutral.